Hello everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to send automated email notifications to users in Zoho Creator. Generally, emails are triggered after the data gets submitted. Therefore, this action can be configured from the form event Successful Form Submission. Send email action in Zoho Creator helps you to automatically trigger emails on successful submission of a form. This action can be configured in form, schedules, approval, payment, and report workflows. Email notifications can be configured in multiple businesses such as sending invoices to customers after successful order placement, notifying employees on the response to their leave request, sending monthly sales reports as an email to the sales manager, sending email to customers when the delivery agent updates the status of the order as delivered, and many more. Let's take the case of an event management application and see how to configure email notification in a form workflow. This is a sample registration form for a workshop. Interested participants need to register themselves to attend this event. Our requirement is to notify people registering for the event regarding successful registration and event updates. Let's see how to do this. Go to the editor and select the workflow section. Click New Workflow. Choose the form you wish to trigger the workflow. Let's choose Workshop Registration Form. Select Created or Edited since we want a notification mail sent on both events. An email needs to be sent only after the form is submitted. So, let's choose the form event Successful Form Submission. Give a name and click Create Workflow. Let's add action to it. The email can be triggered on every form submission or based on a specific condition. In this scenario, let's keep it as always. Choose Notifications. All the actions that let you notify the customers are grouped here. Select Send Email. The configuration window pops up. Here, you will find an email composer with from and two variables, a subject line and a message field. In the from field, you can choose from Zoho variables like admin and login user's ID or set up form fields, where the email will be sent from the email ID entered by the user in the form. Ensure that verified email is entered by the user in the form here. You can also add another email and verify it with the unique code sent to the address. Here, let's choose admin's email address so that the email is sent from the admin of the application. Similarly, you can also choose from Zoho variables and the form fields in the to field. Let's select email since we want the registered user to receive the email. You can additionally add CC or BCC or reply to based on your requirement. Let's write the subject here. You can personalize the subject and the body of the email using the Insert Fields option. This lets you include data entered in the form fields. Next, type the body of the email in the message field. The text can be customized based on the options available here. The size of the attachment should be at most 15 MB. In addition, you can also insert field data by inserting fields. Let's insert the name of the users as we address them and type the rest of the message here. Zoho Creator allows you to add the details submitted in the form as an inline message or as attachments in PDF. This can be used in scenarios such as sending invoices to customers or when they fill out the feedback or survey form. Let's save and see what happens. Access the application and let's register for the workshop. Once submitted, a mail is received on the mail ID entered in the form. As you can see, the context reflects what we had customized. Another way of configuring the send email task is by using dilute script. It lets you customize the email with the extended capability of the functionality. In this way, you can trigger automated emails in different types of workflows based on your requirements. Hope email configuration has become easy for you. That's all for now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.